Everything that comes down comes with the commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and to Him belongs everything that is before us, to Him belongs everything that is behind us. What does it mean? Our future and our past. Our future and our past belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَمَا بَيْنَ ذَلِكَ, and your present. So your current life is in the control of Allah. Your past, you were in Alamul Arwah, it was in the control of Allah. Your future, you'll be in the Alamul Barzakh, your grave, your Akhirat, it will be in the control of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And literally as well, even in this life, your history, and Allah ta'ala knows, and what you will do in the future also Allah ta'ala knows, yet you have options. Now someone might say, well, I might just become whatever I'm doing Allah knows anyway. But one is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has decreed something for you, and one is you have an option anyway. So Allah ta'ala's knowledge is ultimate. Alimun Khabir. He knows everything. That's because of the great knowledge and the ultimate knowledge that He has. He knows everything. Yet He has given you an option. The example of it is a person goes to a mechanic. So the mechanic sees your car tire and he'll be like, in 100 kilometers your tire is going to pop because you need to change it. So you have an option to change it or not. Now you drive it, within 100 kilometers your tire burst. Now you can't blame the mechanic for it. You can't say, oh, you see, because the mechanic said my tire is going to pop. The mechanic told you it's going to pop because of his knowledge, because of his experience, and he's been through this. So in the same way, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's knowledge is so vast and ultimate. He knows exactly what you're going to do, how you're going to do. Yet, you have an option. And Allah ta'ala even knows what options you have and what you're going to choose. But the option is yours, you have to take it. وَمَا بَيْنَ ذَلِكَ, and whatever is in between, meaning in your life. وَمَا كَانَ رَبُّكَ نَسِيًّا, and your Lord never forgets. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala doesn't forget of the good things you have done. Allah ta'ala says that we do not destroy the deeds of the believers, meaning we reward them. It will not go unnoticed. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not forget the evil deeds that you have done.